My name is Mercy, and I never used to do these vlogs before, so I don't know if anybody even knows who I am. Anyways, my name is Mercy, like it said in the intro. I'm really worried this is gonna be boring because I don't know what to do. Let's see. I have my computer on my bookcase right now. There's lots of cool stuff. I'm so worried this is gonna be boring. I don't want it to be lame. Let me think. I have an idea. Uh, Embarrassing to admit, I used to like One Direction. Kind of. Wasn't even that long ago. But me and my sister bought the CD at Target, and we would listen to it all the time in the car. Me and my sister used to be like best friends, and then she moved away, so. I mean, she just moved down the street, but anyway. Anyway, the point is my dad bought me these fake nails. And I've been meaning to put them on for a long time, and maybe it will be interesting if I put them on right now, but probably not, and probably just be boring, but you know. Anyways, I guess I have to challenge somebody now? Do I have... anyway. I'm not good at challenging people to do things like that. Like in Truth or Dare, I never like to give out dares because it's really hard to come up with things. Anyways, I don't know what to do. Okay. I guess I will challenge Jazzy, and my challenge is to, I don't know. Okay, my challenge is to, in your next vlog, like, wear a costume. Okay, like, it doesn't have to be, like, complicated. Just, like, you know, like, wear some kind of, like, hat or, like, a t-shirt to, like, so that you are, like, some kind of character or something. Or just wear some cat ears or something. I don't know, a costume. Just wear a costume, because I think costumes are fun. So I had fun doing this. I have like 12 minutes of footage, and I'll have to cut a lot of that out. Anyway, that concludes the vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.